Hello everyone, we are Group 6 and our project is Find It at NAU, which is a web application designed to help NAU students quickly report and search for lost items on campus. And our team members are, my name is Tanmay.
My name is Aryan.
My name is Munendra.
My name is Keith.
My name is Maz.
Alright, so today we'll walk you through the motivation behind the project or design, the implementation, and we'll just give you a quick demo with and the user evaluation results and the main lessons that we learned while we were building this system. We'll talk about the problem and motivation now. So the idea came from a simple problem that every semester hundreds of items get lost on campus, such as IDs, keys, airports, etc. But we also noticed that there is no centralized system to track them. So students either rely on their luck, word of mouth, social media posts, or just random desks in different buildings, but they never seem to work. So our main goal behind this project was to create a single piece where students can report the lost and found items and they can search for them effectively. And the motivation and the main purpose behind this project was to reduce stress for students and to make the recovery process a little bit faster and make it more transparent. We'll now talk about the value proposition and the MVP of the app, and Keith will take on from here.
Hello. Our value proposition is simple. Make it easier for NAU students to recover lost items by giving them a centralized, easy to use platform. Our MVP focuses on two core features: searching for lost items and posting new lost or found reports. We intentionally kept the design clean and minimal so students could use it quickly without confusion. As for our tech stack and architecture, for the implementation, we used a very straightforward setup. For our front end, we had plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For our back end, we made use of Python's Flask, and for our database, we used MySQL. We hosted on a local dev environment with a design approach focusing on simple forms, simple pages, and no complex UI. Our architecture is intentionally simple. Flask handles the routing and backend logic. MySQL stores the item reports, and the front end provides basic forms and pages for users. We chose this stack because it's lightweight, easy to build, and perfect for a semester project focused on functionality over visuals. Now, we will provide a demo.
All right. So here's the demo, and I'll be giving you a rough overview of features we have on our demo. We got creating a post. If you've lost something or you found something, you can create a post about it. People can search through that list. So in that way, it makes it way simpler than going to a different website every time. This thing you search, you find it, and you claim it. So you can see the item, you can view the details of what the item is, how it looks like, and you can claim the item. Let me give you a demo on the actual website. So here you go. And for the lost and found web application, I'll just give you that you can go ahead and search any item. I'll say, I want black leather wallet, and I'll go MagSafe. Then it'll filter out whatever you need. Moving on, if you wanna put something out there that's, let's say, oh, I lost something. I lost my phone, and I'll just put the detail of what phone it is. I lost this phone, and go location. I lost it in the University Union. I'll put the date out there. When did I lose it? I lost it on 12/3 or 25. I'll give a description that it has a black case plus cracked screen because my phone falls all the time. Then I'll also put a few more details that'll make it easier for the person who's looking for it to find it just by adding a couple things that what wallpaper is. And then I can just go ahead, drop a photo of it, Right now just select a random photo that I have. I'll go ahead and select this one because my phone's photo is not there. I'll put my name and I'll put my email or phone number. I prefer my phone number, or I can just use my email nau.edu and I can publish it. As you can see, it's published out here. And now what you can do is, excuse me, you can go up here. You can see the details that it's an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Type is lost. Location in the University Union. This is the day I lost it, and this is the description. And if someone finds it, or let's say I want to claim this item, that I have it, I'll put my details up here. I found it in the Union. I found it today. Where was it? It was in the Union. Found it in the Union while going to get food. I'll upload a photo of my ID. That's my face, how it looks like. Then I'll put the preferred location. I'll just select McKay Village up here. That's where I'll pick it up. I'll go ahead, create a ticket. You can see that on the bottom side, ticket has been created. We'll review the ID. And once that's done, the person will be like, they'll notify me now on email that, hey, someone has claimed this item and someone has found it. And you can go ahead and claim that item. But that's it. That's pretty much it. Moving on back to the slides. There you go.
Hmm. So for our user evaluation, we decided to test the system with 5 participants who each completed basic tasks such as searching for an item and filling out the lost an item form. Overall, the feedback was pretty straightforward. Users appreciated the clean layout and the simplicity of the design and how easy it was to move from one section to another. The main complaints, though, were about the long claim form, which felt a bit tiring to complete, and the small date picker, which made selecting dates slightly inconvenient. Despite those issues, participants agreed that the system aligns well with its value proposition and would be genuinely helpful if implemented at NAU. You're muted.
Hit it.
Yeah, so as a team, we learned how important user-centered design is. Small things like spacing, the button placement, or the amount of typing required can seriously affect the usability of the app. While this process, we also learned how to communicate as a team, coordinate tasks, or avoid merge conflicts, and also test all the features properly. This project gave us a real idea of how software evolves with the constant testing and feedback. Now, for the conclusion, we'll move to the conclusion slide. So, this project had a clear purpose and a meaningful impact. If we had more time, we would add features like a campus map, email notifications, QR-based item tracking, and a better workflow overall for all verifying found items. Overall, this project gave us a very practical experience that we'll take into our capstone and future professional careers as well, especially working collaboratively and designing for the users of this app.
Thank you so much for watching our presentation, everyone. We hope this was helpful.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.